guys, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Urvi. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on my other social media platforms, here are all the links. So for today, I'm sharing with you a very exciting launch by the Moms Co. And the focus of today's video is going to be around age control products. The main idea being how you can combat the signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin, dark circles from like early years itself. Instead of waiting for these issues to become very problematic and then tackle them, you can basically delay all these signs and rejuvenate your skin. And you can start doing this from 27-28 years of age itself. To help you with all of this, we have the new age control range by the Moms Co. This is their age control range and I've gone through the ingredients. I've gone through them in tons and tons of detail, and I will be talking about how you can solve all of these issues, and we will be talking about all the benefits of this age control range by the Moms Co. So yeah, I have tons of thoughts to share with you, and I think this can be a really perfect addition to your skincare routine. So yeah, I think let's just get started with the video. Now to brief you a little bit more about the brand the Moms Co itself, I love the fact that they are 100% natural. In fact, they are India's largest toxin out and nature in brand. Now this basically means that all of their products are 100% free from any toxins or any other harmful substances such as parabens, sulfate, synthetic fragrances and any other potentially harmful chemical. And even in the new age control range, they are maintaining this. The main reason why this range is different from others on the market is because of a super unique ingredient they have used and they have enriched all the products with, and that is bakuchiol. Now most age control products out there have retinol in them, and yes, retinol is a very much loved ingredient, but it does have a couple of side effects like skin irritation, and it's not suitable for all skin types. And with this range, they have replaced the retinol with bakuchiol, which is an all natural and all vegan alternative. So basically it's offering all the goodness of retinol minus the side effect. It builds collagen, regenerates cells and gives that glow to the skin. In fact, personally, I have been switching out a lot of my beauty products slowly and gradually towards natural and organic products, and it is doing so well for my skin. Like, it has completely changed my skincare game. Okay, so now that was a lot of talking. I think let's get into each product in detail, and I will be discussing the ingredients, the prices, the packaging of all of these. The first product is their under eye cream. Now this came very nicely packaged in this unique carton, and it has all the details about the product mentioned very clearly. I have a full list of the ingredients here, and you have the star ingredients, which is bakuchiol, plant extracts, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. And all of these ingredients are targeting your under eye problems, like niacinamide for fine lines and wrinkles, and plant extracts to just improve the dark circles. And this is how the bottle itself comes packaged. It's of a really nice premium quality. The lid is metal, which I really like, and as you open it, you have the protective plastic covering and then the eye cream itself. The eye cream is of a nice thick consistency. It's not very thick that will just clog your pores, but it's perfect. And all you have to do is take a small amount and apply it in the under eye area, and then just gently spread it. And instantly for me, the under eye did feel very hydrated. Because the under eye area is a little bit more delicate, the eye cream will target those issues and help you, especially with the dark circles. And the next product is their night cream. Now I feel like my skin repairs the most overnight. After a long day, I just like to remove all the makeup, all the dust, apply a generous amount of the night cream and just let my skin repair and replenish. So again, this came with the unique carton with all the details mentioned. All the ingredients are listed down there, and the top ingredient in the ingredient list is purified water, aloe vera leaf juice and glycerin. Again, super moisturizing ingredients. And then we have the star ingredients, which is bakuchiol, which the entire range has been enriched with. And the main benefit that will do in the night cream is to boost your skin firmness, and the consistency not very thick, just that perfect amount you'd want in a night cream. I have woken up previously with that very sticky and tacky texture in the morning, and that's not a good feeling. So this one does a great job at just combating that and giving my skin all the right nourishments. To apply this, you just need to take a thin layer and gently apply it in the skin in like a circular motion. Also, all of these products barely have any fragrance, which is such a good plus point. And the last product we have is the day cream. Now the main reason why I'm attracted towards this is because this is like your all-in-one day cream. It's going to fight against the pollutants, protect from UV UV rays, moisturize the skin, and you can also use this as like a primer before makeup. So basically you're all good to go throughout the day. And star ingredients of this one is bakuchiol, green tea extract, sea buckthorn oil, and hyaluronic acid. It's targeting all those issues related to aging, like reducing fine lines, wrinkles, repairing and regenerating your skin, and as I mentioned before, providing defense against pollution and UVA. So these were the products. According to me, you should definitely give this range a try. It's very decently priced, especially for the ingredients and the fact that it's all natural. If you're looking to combat all those signs of aging, you don't need to necessarily wait till they arrive and then tackle them, but you can start early, and I'm pretty sure that this range will help you get there. All the products will be listed down below. There will also be a very special coupon code right here so that you can avail a discount on this entire range. And I hope it's your one-stop shop if you're looking for age control solutions. And yes, that's about it for this video. Do drop down any of your thoughts down below in the comments box. Any ideas, thoughts, feedback you may have, please list them down below, and do subscribe to this channel. There is an exciting giveaway and video at 50k, so yes, it will be really great if you help me reach there. And yes, that's about it. I shall see you guys very soon with another video. Bye.